Our basic mission statement says that we're here to reach out to those in need, especially women and children. So that's really at the heart of what we try to do. You need to have a place that's separate from the schools where people feel they're at home, and it's a safe place where they're trusted, they can come with their problems. Some place where you can really bridge that gap between family and student and school. We're kind of like neutral ground, and I think communities need that. When I first heard about the Excel program, I was a little surprised that we were approached, but I came to realize that what they saw in us was the family involvement that we have, and that we're seen as an organization that's trusted by the immigrant community. So we were a good place to kind of be a conduit for information going out. There are three aspects of our programs that are supported by Excel: the immigration services, also our English classes for adults, as well as our Friday Night Fever Teen Club.
Having kids now who are teens and trying to learn what it means to be a teenager and what it means to socialize as a teenager. Things are very different between elementary and when you go into middle and high school. Giving them a safe space and giving them just tools to understand how to socialize and be teens in a safe way, in a productive way, in a fun way.
We've gone from just a handful of teens to an average of about 20 every week on a Friday night. They come in for some positive peer interaction. We have activities for them, movie night, game night. It's a place for them to come. It's a safe place for them to come and hang out. The program is designed really for the kids to talk to each other and to have responsible adults with them. They've done things like have people come in talking about different careers, along with the fun things. We also involve them in service projects because we think it's important for them to be giving back to the community. Getting involved with Excel really helped us to see that it was a very important program, and we've put more effort into it. That's helped us bring in some extra staff, bring in some guest speakers to work with the kids. With the Excel program, we were able to make some connections with Westchester Community College and with some other groups that have helped us expand our services. It's really enabled us to have more visibility, and that's brought more clients in, which increases the workload, but it helps us to serve more people as well. So now that we have personal connections, it's helpful when a family comes to us and says that, you know, their middle schooler or high schooler is having difficulty with X, Y, and Z. We can help them make the connections to try to solve the problems. Meeting with a different group of people on the regular basis, as we have through Excel, meeting with Rini and with Juan, bringing all of the cohorts together. It really gives you a fresh perspective on how the community is interacting with the immigrant families and how we can better serve them. We think that we do our little part, but you really get to see that you're part of a much bigger group. For me, it's been refreshing to be part of such an academic group. It's not something that I've experienced before. Because it was such a positive experience, we will find ways to just continue what we've done. We wouldn't want to lose the pieces that were part of this program and that really helped us. It's been a good opportunity, and I think it's really helped us to help the families better, because the children grow up, and we can still be that catalyst for them, helping them to navigate the school system and advocate for their children.